Good morning, boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to get into Pearson. Now, you should be in Schoology right now, and most of you, if you go down, we are on Wednesday, and you will need to know how to do this to get into your math assignment. So once you're in your Schoology, you're going to look over on the left-hand side of your screen over here. See, I'm going to move my little mouse around. And do you see where it says Pearson Realize? You're going to click on that. Then you're going to go over and you're going to click Launch App. Okay? We're going to go in under Malachi. Okay? So you'll have to go in your Google account. Then you're going to go over here and click Math 3rd grade, remember, like we always have. Okay. And I believe we're going to go into classes. Let's see where this takes us. Here we are. Okay. Today, you are going to be working in the ones that say 14. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 assignments that you're going to be working in today. Now, this is really important. I want you to make sure you go the correct direction. So you're going to start with the vocabulary cards. You're going to do those first. Those are at the very bottom. Then you're going to go up and do the visual learning. Then you're going to do the student practice. Now, you're going to have to write your answers on paper when you do this. It's just going to give you the page in your math book, and I want you to complete the work on notebook paper and take a picture of it and send it to me, okay? After you practice that, you can try the solve and share. And then here is the adaptive, another practice for you guys. Okay? So I have assigned these to you. Okay, so you're going to need to go and do these for today. If you would like to do extra math, always in Pearson, remember, if you go in the same way and you want to play some games in the Game Center, here's some games in the Game Center, okay? But make sure you complete all the ones that say 14, okay? And remember, you need to do the vocabulary cards and the visual learning first. If you have any questions, remember you can text me or send me a message on Dojo.